Hello, Emmerich's here. I've got a slightly different video today, and it's my Mercedes 350. I'm basically taking it down to Mercedes. It's had a problem. It's got that dreaded engine management warning come up on the dashboard, which is quite frightening when you've got a Mercedes, because you think, oh, what could that be? You know, could cost a fortune. Anyway, I'm going just having a trip down to Paul now, my local Mercedes garage, who's going to run a diagnostic through the system to find out what the fault is. Wish me luck. I've already had a fault done by the RAC when they come out, and they said it showed a air mass sensor warning. So it's something to do with the intake of air into the engine, but that could maybe, you know, could be down to something electronic or something mechanical. I don't know. It could mean many things. But yeah, let's get down to Paul Mercedes and find out. Hopefully, it's going to be a positive outcome. With so fingers crossed, everyone. Catch you in a bit, Emmerich's. Right, I've finally made it down to the Mercedes garage. You can have free coffees, which is really nice. Here we have the Mercedes garage, which is very nice. Like I say, you've got free coffees, cappuccinos, hot chocolates, all for free. You basically go to the reception, he asks you to sit down, have your coffee if you want one, and they just basically come over and help. Yeah. I've just been told that I asked for a explanation of the diagnostic and what would it entail. Is it much better than a standard RAC? And it is far more in depth than an RAC. It's just standard diagnostic. Obviously, it's Mercedes. And now I've got to go. I'm going to drink my coffee. I'm going to go away for an hour, and hopefully come back with good news. Oh, wish me luck. Hello.
Is that Mr. Rickson?
Speaking, yes.
Yeah, hello, it's Jamie calling from Mercedes.
Hello there.
Right, the good news is we have found the fault. The bad news is it is jolly expensive. It is the air mass sensor. Unfortunately, it does come as part of the manifold. The diagnosis is only taken sort of half an hour or so to diagnose, so the diagnosis is only half what we quoted, but with the fitting and the part, you'd be looking at a total of £741.72p.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Is that a long-winded job?
Not particularly. It's probably around about an hour there or thereabouts.
Is that something that you could do today?
Yeah, we do keep it in stock, so if you want us to carry on, we can just get it finished for you.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic. Would I be able to? Would you go through the RAC to give? You know, they might pay for it. I might have to do a short.
I can give you a full sort of itemised bill, so you can claim back anything from the RAC that they'll pay, and I'm more than happy to speak to them at any point.
Yeah, they did say that they would need you to ring them. That's what they told me when I so if that,
have you got,
I've got the phone number. Yeah, I've got the phone number, direct phone number. Yes.
Yeah.
That'd be fantastic. I mean, I haven't got it. I could give it. I'll have to find it and let you have it in a bit.
Okay, so you just want us to crack on, and then you'll settle the bill, and then we'll see what we can do with it.
Yeah,
okay, perfect. Yeah, I'm happy to do that, Mr. Rickson. We'll crack on and we'll get the repair done, and we'll see what we can get through the RAC for you.
Okay, excellent.
Okay,
thank you so much. Cheers, Anne. Thank you. Bye. Wow. 700. Ouch. And then I've got half of the diagnostic, which is about 70. Could be talking about £800. Ouch. If I can get the RAC insurance to pay for it, half of it at least, that would be handy. But yeah, it's all a bit depressing, isn't it? An air mass sensor, and it's part of the manifold, and it's all got to be replaced. Wow, that's a bit of a shock, isn't it? Anyway, never mind. It's got to be done, and what's sort of springing into my mind, maybe selling it. Anyone interested in the 350? Mercedes, AMG, blue efficiency? Anyway, never mind. Anyway, that's the outcome. I've literally got to pay out about £800 now to get that air mass sensor, just an air mass sensor, replaced. And the car's only about 5 years old. You'd expect the, you know, the quality of Mercedes for, you know, parts to last longer. Well, I do. You know, you just think about Mercedes, don't you? Anyway, I'll leave it at that, and that's the depressing outcome. If I find any other details which might be of use, I'll add them on in a moment.